Hi, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1986 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have the brass freeze plugs installed in there, engine block painted to black, correct oil pan for the 86 C10 truck. Brand new timing cover, new balancer, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads made in America. Taylor ignition wires on there in red with all the wire markers on there. Made in USA. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice. Bow tie, black valve covers with the oval air cleaner with a washable filter. Black Vortec intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there. You have the 2 extra water ports for any coolant sensors. Thermostats installed. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line. Holley 750 CFM carburetor. Throttle return spring, throttle cable, ball and bracket. HEI distributor, correct distributor for the 86 C10 truck. We always install the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission that has the proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube. Braided fuel lines at the carburetor, electric choke wire, manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. Muscle series, high flow, fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, all the loop clamps, gas filter, easy access right there to get to it. We have this real nice polished Wraptor serpentine pulley kit on here. AC compressor, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. We have the GM Type 2 power steering pump. We supply all the reservoir, power steering reservoir, and the universal power steering line kit is included with the engine. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in stand. You'll see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We check for leaks. We set the ignition timing for you. We dial in the idle mixer screws to achieve the best manifold vacuum reading. We set your idle. So when you get the engine, you know you'll have total confidence when you put the engine in. It'll be 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, you can give us a call or text us at 908-323-5847 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine for the 1986 C10 pickup. Thanks for watching.